So, one of the things that I like to do is when I'm trying to search for a specific fragrance, right? A lot of times, when you're searching for a fragrance, right, that goes with your body chemistry, a lot of times you won't find it. I mean, you will find it, but the thing is, when you don't search for it, right? Just buy oils because it smells good, right? Just buy it because it smells good. And, along that process, you're going to end up stumbling on a whole lot that actually goes with your body chemistry. As I mentioned before, if the fragrance on you, lasts, if it stays the same exact strength for at least 3 hours, that means that it goes good with your body chemistry. That's what that means. So, you have to just pretty much, try this and try that, and you'll find out something. And, a lot of times, don't be judgmental. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I mean by that. Don't be judgmental when it comes to the scents, right? Because a lot of times, you have somebody they'll smell it from the outer smell of it, right? They'll smell it from the outer smell of it. And I'm like, oh, no, I don't like that. Because a woman may like a certain type of smell. And she may say, oh, I like it sweet. Oh, I like it soft. Oh, I like it in between, right? And so she don't understand that what she's actually smelling, she's smelling the outcome of 3 different components combined together. The base notes, right? The base notes, the heart notes, and the top notes. Sometimes, and all of this stuff is mixed together. A lot of times, you can't smell each and every note inside of the fragrance unless you're very good at it. I'm talking about specifically customers, right? Mostly people, right? Mostly people that, they don't really know too much about fragrance. They don't get down like that. They don't know the base notes and the heart notes and the top notes. They don't know how to catch each and every last one of them. Except that it's very strong. That's pretty much it. So what you do is you just take a shot, you put it on. I'll give you a good example. Creed got a new fragrance called what's the name of that fragrance? It's an oil. It's called something vetiver, right? It's green. It's a green fragrance. When I smelled the outer aroma of it, I didn't like it at all. When I smelled the outer aroma, I didn't like it. I was like, I don't like that right there. But listen, now check this out. Now, when I actually put it on, when I actually put the fragrance on, and I just let it sit on me for a while, I fell in love with it, man. I fell in love with the fragrance. Because it hit home with my body chemistry. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. So if somebody I know everybody is not going to do this, but, sometimes if somebody come to you, right? Say, for example, you don't like those Middle Eastern type of scents, right? Just try it on anyway. Try it on. If somebody give you a free sample, try it on anyway. It may be something that you may like. It may be something that may make you stand out from everybody else, right? So that's pretty much it. If you want to find that fragrance that really goes come home, or that hits home, what I'm trying to say, hits home with your body chemistry, just try different things. Try different things and actually write down the time that you put it on, and exactly 3 hours from that time, what you do is you go and smell the fragrance again and see if it's still very potent like it was when you first put it on. All right, and all it is. So when you do that, and if it does goes with your body chemistry, right? Write it down. That's what I do. Write it down. Document it. Put it in your phone. Put it in, rub it in your phone. Not rub it in your phone. Excuse me. Put it in your phone. Put it in your phone. Document it, or write it down in your notebook. Have a list of all of the ones that goes with your body chemistry. All right. So that's pretty much it. This is your guy, Professor Smellgood, Center Aroma Academy, and what we talking about today is how do you know which fragrance will go with your body chemistry? That's pretty much it, y'all. Thank y'all. So, one of the things that I like to do is